What's up? We are at Oakdale. June's way over there. She doesn't want to be getting any close-ups today. I don't know why. But as you can see, winter has not yet passed. Got a pretty good snowfall last night, a couple inches, but it's melting off pretty quick. We just came to the woods because everything's covered in snow and we wanted to get it on video before we can't anymore. Usually it melts off pretty quick when it gets like this. Looks nice though. So we're gonna hang out and see what we can see. Just have a jolly old time.
I won't be having a jolly time unless my camera focuses.
Yeah, we're gonna have fun. She's too cute. We made it to this bridge. First tracks. Look, first tracks in the snow. Nobody can dare the snow like we can. But yeah, we're still chilling. Look at that tree. Crazy. As you might be able to tell that it's started snowing again. It's snowing pretty good now. Yeah, you can see it. It's hard to hold my eyes open. It's so bright out here. Blinding. Making the first tracks on this bridge. Breaking new ground. We're gonna hang out some more. I'm gonna try to get some cool shots. Where's she at? Hey, smile. Are you smiling?
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
What?
Smile.
I can't even hear you down here.
We're gonna hang out. I'm gonna try to get some more shots. Yeah. We went off trail again.
Breaking trail like Coyote Peterson, baby.
Yeah, we're off the trail. We're pretty far off into the woods. This is part of the old bridge that went across the creek way down there. It got washed out last summer when it flooded real bad. And it made it way back in these woods. This water was pretty deep. See, the stuff's hanging in the trees up to here. Some way up here. The water was about that high when it flooded, and the creek's about 50 feet that way. So look at this. She's a human cat. Anyways, we're off the trail. We're just trying to find a spot to hunker down and chillax for a while. But it's kind of hard. Ooh. It's real pretty out here. Look at that. It's nice. We're looking for a spot to chill. And then, yeah, we're gonna chill.
I think we found it, honestly.
You found it? Right here?
Yeah, this is cute.
Okay. I guess we found our spot. Right here. Alright. I want to show you guys this because it's ridiculous. I'm just walking around taking some clips of the creek here, and I stumbled upon this. That's a microwave. Just the shell of a microwave, but you can definitely tell it's a microwave. And we're a few miles from town, so some farmer must have just thrown that in the field or something. When it flooded, got washed down the creek, and now it's deep in the woods to pollute the earth. Don't throw your trash in the water or on the ground. It'll just end up in the water. Either way. Poor critters. We're chilling still. Found a new cliff here. Can't wait to snake hunt that in the summertime. But yeah, we're chilling. I was just taking a time lapse down there. And I found the microwave and I had to record it. It's ridiculous. Make sure it's actually recording this time. I just tried to take a whole video and it wasn't even recording, but anyways, we made it to a new spot. This bridge here with these logs across the creek, they're all covered in snow. Usually in the summertime they're green with moss. But we made it here, just taking pictures of the lichen on the bridge. And we're chilling. It started to snow a lot more. You can see it back there. It's coming on pretty good. We're getting hungry, so we might head out soon. I've already said this once, so I'm pretty agitated that I had to say it again. Yeah, and my phone's getting all wet from the snow, so I better put it away before it gets messed up. Alright guys, we're heading out. We're hungry, we're thirsty, we're tired. So we're almost back to the car. It's snowing, big giant flakes now. Wait, there you can really see them. Anyways, like this video, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you next time we come to the woods. She's so cute. Like and subscribe.